Also, watch your email or mail for key information about your account.
Millions of Americans are receiving the message that it's time to pay up.
We got dozens of emails, phone calls, and messages just wondering why my score tanked and what's going on.
The Federal Reserve Bank of New York reports that in the first 3 months of this year, more than 2 million student loan borrowers saw their credit scores drop by 100 points.
I've had some that were in the process of closing for their home and no longer qualified because when it was time to run the credit, there was 100 points missing.
CJ Stewart, founder of C&E Credit Solutions in Phoenix, says he's talked to about 50 people facing this financial nightmare, affecting things like qualifying for an apartment or getting a better interest rate on a car. But there are solutions. Check your credit score immediately, then contact your student loan provider.
One thing you might want to do is after you contact your student loan servicer, you want to get them back in forbearance.
That means you qualify for postponement or temporary reduction based on things like income or household size. Under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, you could also ask your provider to backdate it by 90 days.
You can't go from on time to 90 days late within a month apart. That's not verifiable, that's not accurate, and it's not timely.
90 days of unpaid loans is when borrowers can fall into that delinquency status, and many have reported little to no warning before getting notified. If forbearance isn't an option for you, Stewart says many providers are willing to work with you on a minimum payment plan.
I've had a client that's on right now paying $10 a month. That will then at least turn them back into on time to start rebuilding that positive payment history.
And for anyone feeling the pressure of a plummeting credit score, Stewart says there is hope.
But the beauty and the blessing is that your credit can be restored and it can be rebuilt.
And once you do have an affordable monthly student loan payment worked out, it's a good idea to turn on auto pay because timeliness contributes to your credit score. All 3 credit bureaus allow at least 1 free credit check a year, and now many banks offer that as well. Live in the newsroom, Karina Rubio for Arizona's Family.